Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic 14 pieces block set, like knife block set that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say that this looks beautiful. Don't mind my cat just coming into the video and ruin everything. I mean, she's gonna be a nice decoration now, I think so. Oh my God, what's going on? But with this one, what I do have to say that it looks beautiful. Not only that, it also the construction and the materials. These are high carbon steel, but also it's gonna give you something that I noticed that I didn't find in some of the other block sets that I had before. I'm gonna show you that one in a few seconds, and we're gonna go through all the knives. But the bottom line is that you have a heavy wooden block set over here. This is actually really heavy. It comes with rubber pads at the bottom, so this thing just won't move super easy once that you reach the surface. And the other good thing about this one is it also comes with a scissor and a sharpener. So let's take a closer look to this 14 pieces high carbon steel set. So the thing that I wanted to show you before is that you have all these 6 serrated steak knives. So this one's gonna be really good for steak night or something like that for guests, friends, family. But what I was just telling you before is this section over here. I didn't find this too often in some of the other ones, that it has a really nice degree of grip. So you're just not gonna do something like grabbing it in a flat surface or something like that. It's gonna have that degree of grip and surface that I really like. So you have 6 of those, and then you're gonna find the scissors over here, which is just a regular scissor with a serrated side. And also you're gonna find the carving and utility knives. This one's over here. These are gonna be kind of like the on-the-go or everyday basis situation. And of course, you have the sharpener over here on the side, which you can use every day or every month just to make sure that your knives are on the sharpness that you can just put them. So you slide this one back. You're gonna find then the this is gonna be, I don't quite remember, I think this is a slicing one. The slicing one, you have this one over here. Just take a look at, just closer look to the construction over here. It looks fantastic. I gotta say that it looks fantastic, and it has a really nice grip as well. Then of course you're gonna also find the bread one, which is gonna be always the serrated one to cut those big pieces of bread and make the toast with that. Again, perfect construction, looks fantastic. Then you're gonna find one of my favorites, not my favorite, but one of my favorites is gonna be the chef knife, which is gonna be the bigger one and also the heaviest one. But of course, if we always gonna talk about my favorite one, it is gonna be the Santoku knife, which, wow, by the way, it is super sharp. Santoku knife is gonna be always my favorite. This set is beautiful, convenient, relatable. Do you want to say, if you like to have a setup for cooking or professional cooking, and also with the sharpener and the scissor and all the steak knives and all the 14 pieces you get with this imarku block set.